Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of CEL explosion or coupled Euclidean Lagrangian explosion over the composite panel, concrete, steel rebar, the red, and the steel sheet inside the concrete as a reinforcement. So let me just hold the concrete part. This is the concrete part, and let me click on the plot contour deform shape, and we can use this option here to check the mesh, and you can see the damage here happen on the concrete slab. Let me to click on animate, and we can use limit here, for instance 7. That is a better view. See the failure, brittle failure happen here, and we can check for this the damage. This is the damage happen for the concrete, the plastic strain, the ductile damage. See, the ductile damage happen everywhere. So this is the damage for concrete, and let's me to check the stress for the reinforcement and steel sheet here. See, this is the steel sheet and the reinforcement at the end of the simulation. Let me to click on animate. We can check the ductile damage criterion for these two parts or shear damage criterion. It is happening here and everything. And let me now check the all parts, feature edge in this view. Let's me to click on animate. See, this is the TNT expansion, and this expansion causes damage inside the concrete. Let's me to check the damage for concrete. See, again, initial value or the initial amount of the TNT and the pressure causes damage in the composite slab or composite panel. Okay, so if you need the tutorial of this simulation step-by-step video, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com. Find the English tutorial with this title, click on a blue sign, and if you can't find this tutorial, you can goes up and find the search section, search this title there, and then you will find it. So now you will have the title, short explanation about the geometry modeling and this designing and the assembly, and then you will have the explanation about the material model for the TNT, concrete, steel sheet and rebar, and the S-step interactions, mesh, everything, and at the end you will have the result as a figures here. And there are three important points here. The file contains CAI and English video file step by step, and the cost $32 US. If you have bitcoins, you can pay with that. If you haven't bitcoins, you can use PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.